Pulang-pula ang mga panty kong pula. Hi guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Roche, aka beautymagz. In today's video, we are doing another Shopee haul. And it's going to be an affordable, sexy lingerie panty haul. Are you interested? Darna! So I got a few items that I want to share with you guys. So I shop at Shopee and I chose this few items. The first item here in my collection is this. Bam! Pulang-pula ang mga panty kong pula. So this is a lace, very light material, and the details of this is this. It has like a rubber here that is adjustable. I try to fit this. It fits. Low rise. Ang iwang laki ang matabunan ani. Very sexy guys. Is this a thong style? It's not really like suit well with my shape because I'm like bony. If you are like meaty, you're going to like be so sexy wearing this. For my like body type, because I'm too bony and my hip bones doesn't really have that much meat. This doesn't really like bam shebang on me, but still the material is really nice. Look at that, you know, there's like flowery here on the side. See, it's very sexy, comfortable, light, and it's not itchy type of material. Adjustable on the rubber side here. The next item, what we got here, what is it? What is that? If you know my color, if you watch my first video, do you know what my color is? Right? Basic color. And now we got here, bam shebang, black. Okay, let's try to, I hope dili na ko magaskas no. Wala. Kasi magisi ba no? Malabnot na ko. Ooh, wow, it's sexy guys. So as you can see, it's with this tag. It's Oaken. And also they come in set if you're interested. So to save money, you can buy a set with this. And so I got just one. And look at that. Bam, bam, see-through. see-through, bam, shebang. Imong lubot na ni guys makita. So your lubot will be showing is very see-through. Look at that. So ang imong matabunan lang talaga is the front. Ang imong leki ang matabunan. With my shape, this is the kind of like panty style that suits my body pretty well, right? And the butt area here, or bottom, like so. And it's really nice guys, very light, soft, and you know, and I think this is silk. See, the material is really nice. I think di jud ka magpahay ani ba Sharon ng banahan di mulingi ni mo no. Manaling ka honey, a whole new world. That's where we'll be. Over, sideways, and under on the panty ride. A whole new world. It's really cool. It's very nice. Look at that. Okay, alright, so the last item, of course. So here it is. Does fit my I think fits with my earrings. Is it? Bam. Actually maganda sa camera, but actually this is blue green. In the camera it looks like light blue, no, but actually it's like blue green, like you are in the body of water in the ocean. So that's what it looks like. actually, or like the color looks like. So this is Panggor panty, but sexy. And you know, if you are like conservative type, this could be it. Low rise. Okay, so if you have like pus on here, it might not be like too comfortable for you. But if you have a flat stomach in there or abs, this is very pretty. And again, the material is like that, lace. Okay, so everything is lace. Yes, this is very, very pretty. Yes. So this is it. These are the items that I got. I hope you like this video. I know this is short. This is just fun way of doing a haul video. I hope you like this video, and if you do, please give this video a thumbs up so I could do more this kind of like haul type video. And if you have any comments, suggestions, comment down below so I would know what to film on the next one. Alright guys, so this is it. This is my video for today. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe if you haven't already. Bye.